Hello. You're here to learn about working remotely as a virtual assistant. Let's get started. What does a virtual assistant or VA do? A virtual assistant provides remote assistance to clients who prefer to hire an independent contractor to do specific tasks. Solo entrepreneurs, professionals from all walks of life and small businesses are always looking for help with a variety of tasks and like the flexibility of using an assistant on an as-needed basis. As for what you would specifically be doing, this all depends on what you wish to bring to the table in this role. VAs do everything from setting appointments to organizing daily schedules to writing blog content. How much can you make? Virtual assistants can earn anywhere from $11,000 to $55,000 a year. What training do you need? If you have any kind of clerical office or administrative assistant experience already, you have a good foundation for being prepared to step into a virtual role providing that same kind of assistance. However, this type of experience isn't necessary to make this a successful career. In fact, this job can be done by people with other types of skill sets, as you'll see in a moment. This is because most VAs specialize in a niche, and we highly recommend that you also specialize to become instantly marketable. Each niche has its own set of skills, and you may find that you can market yourself in more than one niche. Here are some popular niches you can work in as a VA, General Administrative Assistant. This is the niche for general clerical and office skills. This requires attention to detail, excellent organizing, good communication, and basic typing skills. Blogging Assistant. This niche requires good researching, writing, editing, and proofreading skills. You may also be required to assist with sourcing and posting graphics and photo images. Fixing broken links and knowing SEO or search engine optimization may also be required. Bookkeeping Assistant. This niche may involve keeping track of invoices, processing payments, or payroll. Digital Marketing Assistant. In this niche, you can help clients with email marketing, content marketing such as blogs, podcasts, and social media posting, sales funnels, and website management. E-commerce Assistant. This niche involves assisting with a client's virtual storefront. Tasks may involve writing and posting product descriptions, helping with new product launches, tracking packages, responding to customer inquiries, and handling returns. Project Management Assistant. This niche is one where you will be assisting a project manager plan and carry out all that is involved with a specific project. Skills required are strong communication and writing, paying attention to details, great at organizing, excellent at multitasking, problem-solving, and proficient in using any type of management software tools. Real Estate Assistant. In this niche you can help realtors with marketing open houses, scheduling listing appointments, managing the appointment calendar, writing listings, and communicating with buyers and sellers. Social Media Assistant. This niche typically involves managing one or more social media accounts. Tasks include writing and uploading posts, using automation tools for posting, following the latest social media trends, and understanding what makes a post generate positive buzz. Technical Assistant. If you have technical skills that can be done online and are highly in demand, you should consider this VA niche, which can earn you a considerable amount at the upper pay scale level. Tips. General admin VAs are easier to find and pay at the lowest rates. You can make more money by specializing in one of the other niches mentioned above. Approach your work with professionalism and a desire to provide a high level of value to your clients. I hope this information is helpful to you in landing a great job. If you want more information like this, hit the like button, turn on the notification bell, and subscribe to our channel.